Motorhead Garage, the program that each week introduces you to and shows you how to install the latest and exciting and innovative products for your vehicle. Motorhead Garage is presented by NHOU Protective Coatings. Now here's your host, Dave Dobson.
Welcome to another edition of Motorhead Garage presented by NHOU Protective Coatings. And now we are speaking my language. We've got a hot hatch in the studio. Rico brought it in from RDE Customs, and this thing is a knockout. Tell me what you guys do at RDE Customs.
We specialize in liquid wraps, custom lightings, wheels, tires, the pretty much custom shop bare essentials.
And you've done all the above on this one?
Yes, sir. So we started off with the wrap. It's a custom color, actually chose by my daughter. She mixed it up, and that's what gives us the advantage. We can actually make custom colors for cars. So yeah, we mixed that up, and then we was like, we got to do something more. So we added some wheels, and it was need a little bit more. So we painted the calipers, and it just kept going from there.
Well, everybody wants a little more, a little more, a little more.
Of course.
So let's go back to the wrap.
Okay.
I look at it from a different angle. Right here, this looks blue, this looks purple.
Yes.
And when you roll it in here, it was 9 different colors at one time. This is unique. This is something you don't get to see a lot. Tell me about that.
Don't get to see it a lot. So what we are able to do is we're actually able to take pigments of different kinds from different companies, and we're able to put them in a liquid wrap. What it does is it allows the different pigments to change colors at different angles and give you that one-off custom, never seen before effect. The good thing about all of this is that it's pillable, so nothing's permanent. You don't have to go register your car with the DMV or anything along that lines. It's something you can enjoy for a month, something you can enjoy for a couple years. Just keep changing it up like we do here. So it really depends on you as a person.
What are we talking about cost-wise compared to a regular wrap?
It's very comparable to a regular wrap. You're very limited to colors with vinyl. I mean, they give you a color wheel and you can kind of choose, or you can go crazy expensive and have one actually custom printed, but we're talking tens of thousands at that point. So
how long is something like this going to last? Now, you can change it as often as you want.
Yeah, you can change it as many times as you want. I personally recommend anywhere between 3 to 5 years. Some people can go longer, but on average, even the manufacturers recommend, 3 to 5 years. Just really depends on how you take care of your car when it's in your possessions.
And how easy is it for you guys to take them off?
Very easy. There's no heat that's needed. Just basically you find a corner and you get to working. And as soon as you get that corner to start peeling, it literally comes off in one sheet. So if you apply it the right way, it'll come off like it's designed to come off.
Some other stuff you've clearly done the right way. You do custom wheels and calipers like
that? Yeah, I have a partnership with ADV1, so we can get any wheel that they have, but that doesn't limit me to just ADV1. We can get wheels, period. So if there's a specific wheel that a customer wants, I can get it. Tires, same way. We can get anywhere from Michelin's to Toyo, you name it, top brand, no brand, El Cheapos, we can get them. So it just really depends on the customer's budget, taste, style, and what they like. We can definitely make it happen.
Another thing that falls under taste, some folks love them, some folks not as crazy about them, but I love them, the lights you have going underneath.
Yeah, so that's another thing that we specialize in is vehicle lighting. The LED light bars that are under the car now, I mean, the technology that's in it now, it's absolutely amazing. Back in the day, we just had a switch and we only had a solid color. We can do blue or green and that was it. Now they have it to where you can do millions of colors, different designs, different speeds, different patterns, and it's all controlled from your phone, which is mind-blowing. But when it comes down to just getting creative and being one-off and apart from the rest, this definitely helps put you in the right direction. And taking that technology and applied it to headlights, tail lights, engine bay lights, interior lights, or whatever you want to do, we can make it happen.
How does the process begin when a customer has an idea?
With us, I want to do a one-on-one. So I have you come in, we do a consultation. I'll tell you, lay out everything it is that you want to get done to your vehicle. We'll go outside, I'll give you my 2 cents on it, I'll give you my personal opinion, and then if you come up with an idea that's off the wall crazy that I've never done, first thing I'll tell you to do is let me do some research, because what I'm not going to do is I'm not going to promise something that I know for a fact isn't going to work or can't be done. Unfortunately, yeah, it is custom, but we do have limitations sometimes. One of the biggest limitations is budgets. Everybody see it on TV and they want it done, but they don't necessarily know, the cost and the labor and stuff that goes into getting projects completed. So what we like to do is we like to build a relationship with our clients. So they're happy, we're happy, everybody's happy.
I notice you call them clients.
Yes. One of the things that I strive in my company is customer experience. Whether it's good, it's bad, you're not going to be able to please everyone, but I want everyone to leave my shop with a smile on their face. So at the end of the day, our customers is not what we do. Clients, because you're going to leave happy and you're going to come back wanting more stuff from us.
Well, you're going to leave happy and you're going to cruise out of there looking great in your new ride too. Check them out at RDEcustoms.com. We will be right back with more of Motorhead Garage presented by NHOU Protective Coatings in just a couple of minutes.